All right, we are part 2, day, I think it's 3, and we're getting there. So I didn't glue this down because I'm actually going to be reworking some parts over on this side, but I semi-glued this down. This is still kind of getting tacked on there. So it takes a while for this stuff to dry, but got the e-brake part there. Now I have to find the holes for the shifter. So I'm gonna use my pick, kind of dig through the carpet here and try to find, oh, that might be it right there. Try to find a hole and then drop a screw in there and hope for the best. But yeah, so yeah. And then once I get that done, I got these parts here. So these are for the side panels here. I guess they kind of like cover up, so they go like on the little rocker there, but not the rocker, by the foot weld, and it kind of covers up the blower stuff, I believe. So I gotta cut that similar to the old ones. So I just traced it like so, and then put that on there. This is for the passenger side foot weld. Put that in there, and then the front. I want to figure out how I can use that as well. Figure out where that will go, if I even need it or if I'll use it. I might not. I don't know. If it looks really clean, I'll just leave it. I have the red line driver's side one still in there, so I'm gonna figure out a way to keep that exposed because I like the way that looks. So yeah, we're making progress. We're getting there. Let's keep going. All right, so now do this footwell piece here. So this is the original, just kind of seeing how it lays. You can see where the glue is and stuff. And let's move that over. So this will lay essentially the same. I'm gonna shove it up there as much as possible. And this back, just how I get an idea. All right, so start with the base here. Shit, need my glue. All right, so these little turds, what I'm realizing is they do not it won't fold like over like the original fabric, right? So let me just flip the camera around so you can see a bit better. So what I'm gonna have to do is just glue it to the back like so, and then trim, just cut it. That'll be the only way. I'm gonna have to let this dry like overnight before I cut it, just so I can make sure it is bonded. And like I said, I got some Wellwood bond coming, so I can use that as well to kind of make sure the edges are completely tapped down and stuff. So that's kind of where that's going to be. Then I gotta just tap in the holes there and be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and try my hand at this and see how it turns out. The floorboard end, the red line one. So it's under here, you can kind of see it. But I'm gonna leave it covered. I think it looks clean like this. The rugs, the front mat fits very well. Again, I just have to do the cover piece. That's what I was just trimming. So then that's gonna cover all of that, and it'll bolt in right here and down there. It'll screw in. So it's coming along, looking good. I'm gonna get a red line shift cable, whatever, cover there. I want that to look a little bit better. And then I guess let's grab the driver's side one and see. Alright, so driver's side goes in like so. So that's gonna go, okay, that goes under the seat, so that's good. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. So again, this will be under the seat. So that's good there. That goes behind, okay, not obstructing anything. And yeah, so that's what that looks like, as you can see. Again, got another cover here. So I got another cover piece that will bolt screw here and here. And that'll cover that up. And then, yeah, it gotta be pretty much it. So just need to take a step back view to see. Yeah, I really like it. I like the lighter color carpet. I gotta put the seals back on, the door trim seals. But I like the lighter color carpet. I think it looks really good. And yeah, very happy with it. Center consoles, shifter, assembly is bolted back in there. G50, gotta love it. And it sucks my seats didn't come in yet, but I'll just put the original seats back in and call it good. So I'm gonna finish up these trim pieces, the cover pieces on that side, and then that should be pretty much it as far as carpet installation, so you guys get an idea of what it looks like and pretty much how you got to do it. Again, it's different for maybe like I think the SEs are a little bit different. but for the most part, it's pretty much the same show. And again, links down in the description for where you can get your carpet, and also the instructions that I used to help me navigate this. All right, so I forgot about this part. And when I got the car, it did not have carpet there, so I don't have a template, so I have to click one. The kit did come with that piece, which is this. I've already been trimming it, as you can see. So I'll show you how it go in here. All right, so essentially, let me shit together. All right. So I'm going here like that, and then just follows along here. Again, I'm gonna trim some more, obviously, because it's a little bit too excessive there. So I'm just trying to mock it up now. So what I have to do is remember where, so even right here, I'll probably cut maybe here, cut this lip off. So what I'll do is I'll grab it and just bend it, if that's gonna come off. And I'm already trimming that. That's gonna come off. So that's where I'm at. That's the part that has to go on, and then I gotta put the floorboard piece back on, which I'm gonna reuse the rim line one instead of the one that comes with the carpet kit. From there, I will put the front carpet and front will be done. So let me continue to trim this. Holy shit. I'm done. Carpet is installed, ladies and gentlemen. It is difficult. Took me 3 days. Well, it took me 2 days to tear out everything, clean everything, 1 day to prep, and then 2 days to do the 3 days to do the install. So yeah, it's not bad. Again, I did a rear seat delete RS carpet kit from Newark Auto in New Jersey. They specialize in carpets and upholstery for lots of different vehicles in the market. Specifically, now they're doing a lot of the air-cooled Porsches. So I went with the German weave square in the light gray color. I think it came out pretty good. I'm looking at it now, so let's go ahead and check it out. I haven't put the seats in yet, so bear with me, but here we go. Very nice. All right, so got the carpet in down there. Left the rim line metal foot, there's a foot floorboard on the driver's side. I left that there. I like that one. Got all the other tidbits done. Center console bolted in. Seatbelts good to go. I just gotta put the door trim there. red line floorboard is underneath that carpet. And yeah, I'm very, very, very happy with how it turned out. I think it adds a lot of good color with this lighter color car here in Florida with the yellow accents. Yeah, I like it a lot. Let's see what else. Oh, I'm tired, but yeah, super excited about it. So this is it does come with the foot pedal carpet, just so you know. I didn't reuse the Redline dead pedal, so that's just gonna sit as an artifact for now. Like I said, I gotta put the seats in, put the side rails back on, but we are looking good. So got the front done. Front done. And then coming over here. Still got my speakers. Yeah. Oh, yeah, we did it. Oh, so yeah. Can't believe I did that, honestly. It's one of those things like surprise myself, but that's pretty much it, guys. Let me know. I broke my camera, by the way. My Pocket 3 here, I broke it, dropped it on its head. So it's like the angling and everything is just complete trash. So bear with me until I get a new one. But yep, that is pretty much it for today's video. Let me know what you think. It's part 2. It's 2-part install RS carpet kit. Again, Newark Auto, thank you so much for working with me on this project. I think it changed the car so much, and I hope that you guys, not only just my subscribers, followers, viewers, anybody, get value from this video. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.